Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to add transitions to Instagram Reels. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. Head over to your story section. Choose any of the videos that you have recorded. There everyone, suppose I'm taking this one and click on next. Then you can see there is an option on the lower left corner, edit video. Head over to it. Then click on the option of transition. It's right there, and here you can just choose any sort of transition like this one or this one or this one or this one or this one. Yeah, that's it. This is how you can add transition to your Instagram Reels. All you need to do is to add your transition and just click on done.